It's a waste of water and electricity for washing just one or three objects like a mask or a hairband. So I have devised this method. You can remove the blade of the mixer, put water and some detergent in there and use it as a mini washing machine. Now we have completely washed it. Let's add normal water and put it for rinsing. After rinsing, you can also dry the mask by removing the water. You can use different containers. Now this big container is able to hold your handkerchief, mask, rubber bands, many things else. As you have seen, we have followed the same procedure as we did earlier. So here you can see, we did not only save water and electricity, but also time. And you also did not lose your small clothes in confusion with the big clothes.